Here is how to view an employee profile in Gusto. Start from your Gusto account homepage, where you are already signed in. On the left-hand menu, click People. This takes you to the area where employee records are listed and organized, and it is the place you will use to open an individual profile. Once the People page opens, look near the top of the employee list and make sure the Active tab is selected. This matters because Gusto can separate active employees from other groups, and selecting the correct tab helps you look in the right list before opening a profile. With the Active tab selected, move through the employee list to find the person whose profile you want to view. If the list is long, use the Search People field to narrow it down. Enter the employee name there and wait for the results to update if needed. This can help you avoid scrolling through the full directory, especially if your account includes many employees. After you locate the right employee, click the employee's name in the list. Make sure you select the correct person before continuing, since multiple employees may have similar names depending on how your company records are organized. Gusto will then open that employee's profile page. This page is where the employee's information is grouped into different sections. So once it loads, you can review the profile using the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Use that left-hand profile menu to move between sections such as Work, Pay, and Personal. Each section shows a different part of the employee record, so the one you choose depends on the information you need to view. For example, Work may include job-related details, Pay relates to compensation information, and Personal contains personal record details available in the profile. You may also see additional sections in the same menu. Depending on your Gusto plan and the permissions attached to your account, those sections can include taxes, permissions, documents, performance, time off, benefits, apps, and notes. Not every account will show every option, so if a section is not visible, it may not be included in your plan or access level. To continue, select the specific section you want to view. When you click into it, Gusto displays the available information for that part of the employee profile. You can move from one section to another using the same left-hand menu whenever you need to review a different category of details. Thanks for watching. The employee profile is now open and ready for you to review in Gusto.